Hi everyone. We're going to go over our letter sounds. The first letter we see is A. 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 Like apple. A can also sound like its own name, like in a acorn. A has two sounds, a apple, and a acorn. B B like in b bear. B b bear. B has one sound, like the sound b bear. Look at the letter C. C has one sound, like cat. And then it has another sound that sounds like celery. Cat or celery. C. Look at letter D. D like d dog. D dog. D. Letter E also has two sounds. It can sound like egg, or eagle. E. A and E both have two sounds. One of the sounds says its name, like acorn, acorn, or eagle. And in C, it has two different sounds from the letter name. Practice your 5 letters all week. A, apple. A, acorn. B, bear. C, cat. C, celery. D, dog. E, egg. Or eagle.